The blizzard may have moved on, but the Sierra is under new winter storm warning. Skiers are trying to squeeze in a day on the slopes before the next storm moves in. Let's give you a live camera from Kirkwood Mountain Resort. Look at that. A lot of people getting to put their skis on and enjoying some of that snow that had fallen, but it's still kind of wet out there. Yeah,
about time they actually got to hit the slopes, right? They were closed for so long.
Yeah.
ABC 7 News meteorologist Drew Tuma has a look at what's in store for the Sierra. Hey, Drew.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, new winter storm warning is in effect, but we just got the latest snowfall totals from this blizzard this past week. And a look at the Sugar Bowl picked up more than 10 feet of snow. Soda Springs, 116 inches. Kingville, more than 100 inches of snow. And those winds at times Friday night were gusting 190 miles per hour. What a storm. Now we have a new storm moving in, a winter storm warning now in effect until 4 a.m. Wednesday. Periods of heavy snow. Not as much snow as the blizzard, but we are still going to add to our totals. About 6 to 12 inches above 4,000 feet. Our highest peaks could pick up an additional 2 feet of fresh powder on top of the nearly 10 feet of snow we just got. So wind gusts to 45 miles per hour. There could be some more road closures and some slick travel through Wednesday morning. Here's live Doppler 7 in winter mode. The snow is filling back in. Here's 80, here's 50, for example. You can see that rain snow line just before Pollock Pines. That snow level is right around 5,000 feet this morning.